WGAL News 8's Weather on the 8s with meteorologist Christine Ferreira.
Good morning. It is 6:18. Weather rundown today says we are under a wind advisory that kicks into gear at 2 p.m. and continues until midnight. So it's the second half of the day where we could have gusts as high as 40 or even 50 miles per hour. As we head into tomorrow, sunshine returns full force for us. Still a little bit windy, though, and a mild week is ahead. I think most of the week we will be in the 60s for our highs. News 8 Storm Team forecast today, morning rain until about 9 or 10 a.m., then turning windy around lunchtime. Some afternoon or evening clearing, but generally a mostly cloudy day with those highs near 60. Tonight, mostly clear, blustery winds continue, 36 to near 40 degrees. And then tomorrow, sunny skies, still windy, just not as bad as today. 52 to 56, slightly cooler there with sustained winds, 15 to 25 miles per hour tomorrow. Here are the current temperatures. Everybody in the 40s. We had due east winds yesterday. That really kept us cloudy and cool. Rain moved in overnight, and it's still raining now. That rain is going to continue until about 9 or 10 a.m. Predictor wind speeds, notice at 10, not much going on. But behind a cold front, look at how fast these winds pick up right out of the west. Sustained 20 to 30 miles per hour with higher gusts. So the theme of today is wet to start and then windy to end. Weather and health report for today shows our pollen is at high levels. Tree pollen, especially pine, is in the air. Air quality checking in at moderate standards today, and the UV index on the low side due to clouds, a 3. Here's Super Doppler 8. Everywhere you see blue, it is raining, and that's almost the entire Susquehanna Valley. The embedded heavier areas of rain in yellows and oranges here, that's where you could have some of those brief heavy downpours over the next few hours. So cold front moving from Ohio into western Pennsylvania as we speak. Behind that front, that's when it will turn windy and the rain will be tapering shortly. So let me time it out for you. Predictor shows still at 7, we're getting the rain, but by 9, 10, it's out of here. There goes the cold front, windy conditions for the evening with gradual clearing. Tonight, we stay mostly clear, and look at this tomorrow, hardly a cloud in the sky. High pressure finally builds right overhead tomorrow night, easing the wind and keeping us nice and clear. So it will be a cold start Wednesday morning. I think we could be in the lower 30s. But by Wednesday afternoon, we're right around 60 with nice, calm conditions. Here's the extended forecast for you. 60s for most of the work week ahead. 154 in there, that's tomorrow. As we approach the upcoming weekend, there will be a cold front that comes through Thursday into Friday, so that will cool us down again. And Jerry, could get quite cold on Sunday into Monday. We're talking about 40s for highs. Maybe even a sprinkle or a flurry, believe it or not.
That's a long way off. I'm hoping maybe that can change a little
we
bit.
have 60s ahead of that. So, yeah, just dealing with today. You'll have the rain in the morning and then that wind in the afternoon. So it's a pretty active weather day.
Still March here, obviously, at least for most of this forecast. And this is what you see all kinds of different weather in March.
Exactly. We've had it all.
Yeah, we have. All right, Christine, thank you.